Hey y'all, welcome back to Rustaholic. I'm Patrick and we're still working on my 1963 Chevrolet Corvair. We resealed the flat six and we've got everything put back together as far as we're gonna go right now. And it's time to get it back in the car. So, super exciting. If you saw the, when we pulled it out, it's kind of precarious. You gotta move the car out, you gotta lift the car in the air. There's all kinds of stuff that needs to happen. But first, I gotta play some Tetris. I gotta get all this stuff moved around. I gotta get the car back into the center. So we're just gonna do some time lapse, enjoy the music, and I'll catch up with you in just a little bit. Go off time lapse here. We're making some pretty good progress. This is the precarious part where I have to actually crank it up into the air manually. I just needed to get high enough to get the jack stands under it. That's the whole goal. Once we do that, we'll set it back down on the jack stands, and then I'm actually going to replace that motor mount in the back before we put the engine in it. And yeah, I think we'll be ready to actually move forward. But if the ceiling collapses and everything falls to the ground, we're gonna get that on video. That's all I'm saying. Should be good there. Let's see. That's still... Huh? It doesn't like it. It's still, it feels like the front's just going to come up, and that is not good. I think I need to find a way to brace this here, just so it doesn't continue to tilt this way, because I need it to stay where it is. Alright, let me try to figure this out. All right, here's the new plan. Went out in the chicken yard, grabbed an old 2x4x4, and I think this will hold it. Longest on this side, shortest on this side. Huh. Unfortunately, I missed the cut. That's all right. We're gonna raise it up just a little bit. Watch your feet. One more click. All right. So it is braced right here underneath. So it should be on some solid action, and really all I'm trying to do here is make sure it doesn't go this way. It's basically on the jack stands now. It just is tilting, so not good. All right, just gonna replace this motor mount and then hook that line back up for safety, and then we should be good. Probably should have replaced that motor mount originally, but I didn't want to put any extra stress on it if I didn't have to. But there it is. Correction, I just need this piece and this piece from the old one. Boom shakalaka. Should be ready to install. All right, it's time. Let's see if we can roll it underneath there. Finally get this thing reconnected. Oh, come on. Oh, seriously? By a wing nut? Seriously. Come on. It says one more. Should be right about there-ish. Bring the car down or push the engine up. Let's push the engine up. Let's do that. Let's see how close we can get there. So what I've decided to do is I'm going to bring this back down, and then I'm going to bring the car down on to the engine just so we can get a really good angle. And once we get it on it, then I can just use the table to push the car back up again, so we can do still have the room for all the connections and stuff. That's the plan. Alright, at this point, it is basically level, so we should be able to make the final adjustments here to get this where we want it. And now I'm going to bring the table up. Nope, because this thing sucks. Won't let you pump it. Something not here. Oh, wait. We got stuff in the way. Stuff in the way. Wires, hoses, all kinds of stuff. Stand by. Oh man, go that way just a tad. Alright, we'll try to get this one attached first. I forgot to take the nut off the motor mount. So, yeah, it's gotta come down. It's an 11/16 apparently. We got a mount, barely clean, ready to install. All right, let's see what we got going on here. All right, these are gonna have to come off. Those bushings look shot. Perfect. Yeah, we're gonna leave those just the way we found them. Let's see, what's all this stuff? Does this go over the top, you think? This is our problem child. I remember this guy pretty good. Let's see, this is gonna go like that. All right, so that lines up. I think all that goes over the top, except for this guy, which wants to go in here real bad. That's probably gonna leak, but oh my god, that's totally busted. Perfect. Just gonna reinstall that. Pretend we didn't see it. We'll deal with that next time. Alright, let's just pretend for a minute that this is how it's supposed to go down. And put some bolts here just to hold it for a second. Just, you know, just stay there for a second is all I'm saying. I'm pretty sure those bushings aren't doing anything. I mean, they're not even touching. Am I missing something? Did something else fall out of here? Because that seems odd, even for me. And why is this going over this? That doesn't seem right now that I'm looking at it. But where did those go? Huh. Oh Lord, here we go. Getting into the spaghetti. Never gonna get this back to where it was before, but this doesn't look right. So let's go. Alright, we got one out of there. And what is this doing? Oh, this is my problem for sure. This stuff's probably important. It won't go through, whatever. Oh, there's a zip tie. There's a zip tie. I go get some clippers. I'll be back. But seriously, there's like nothing on these mounts, but that's better. We'll worry about where it goes from there later. Alright, we're gonna leave those a tad loose so we got some play. This guy's gonna have to come up. And there's some spacers that need to go in there. Hey Joe! You mind pumping this jack just like half a pump? Huh? Nope, I'm the only one here. Alright, fine, whatever. I'll do it myself. Huh. But why does only one side have spacers? Right? I mean, that's weird, right? I think we're gonna call it for this episode. We got it back in the car. It's all hooked up. it's connected to the car, is what I'm saying. There's still lots more to do. And in the next episode, we'll continue working underneath the car, hook everything up. We'll see how far we get, but I can't wait to jump back into the top section and finally hear this thing run. It's been a couple months already, and I'm itching to get it back on the road. Thank you all very much for watching. I really hope you're enjoying it. Please comment. I love all the comments, and subscribe if you like, and we'll see you next time.